friends, welcome back to the channel. So here's my little update on the group bill, the Left Coast group bill hosted by Paul over at Left Coast Model Car Builds. So as you can see, it's the car is already in primer, and this is a little surprise that I have for you guys. If you guys remember, I told you guys that the car was curbside and there was no engine, but after I primered and sanded and getting it ready for paint, I was like, you know what, let me see if I can come up with an engine. So I went through my parts box and I found I think it's a 409, the engine that comes out on the 62 Chevy Impala. So I was able to incorporate that engine. So it is still low, and I'll be able to raise the engine, or I should say I should be able to raise the car. And as you can see, the engine almost stays in place, but I mean it's mocked up, so I should be able to just do poses and just take the wheels off and put the axle underneath the suspension. So what I did is I cut all the way through, and I'm gonna be able to just keep the hood up and keep the same low profile. And what I did is I kept sanding everything off of, everything that was pretty high, just to lower it even more. So then back here I'm gonna seal the gas tank. So I'm gonna use my famous Starbucks card. So I'm gonna measure it out and make it fit and paint it and all that stuff. And that's pretty much it for the body. And the interior, I took all the fussy fur and just gonna primer it and paint the rest of it black and do the interior. I was talking to Paul and I was undecisive of the color. I mean, I had a few colors in mind, but there was just this one that was kind of stood out, and I was telling him, I think I'm gonna do this, and he was like, yeah, go for it. And we were just talking. So yeah, here's my update on my 63 Chevy Impala for the Left Coast group build hosted by Paul over at the Left Coast Model Car Builds. And hope you guys like it. Stay tuned, more to come. I think the next one will be pretty much the final. You know what, no, it will be another update, because I just remember I got to do all the chrome for it, and these cars have a lot of chrome, so that's going to be fun. So all right, if you haven't subscribed, give me a sub, a like, a share, shout out. Thank you for stopping by and watching these videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Happy modeling.